Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we are here at ITC Parel where we have Shobha Realty sales office, and today we will be doing the project overview of the residential project Shobha Inizio by Shobha Realty located in Parel, Mumbai. In this video, we will be discussing about points like overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms, where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And in the last video, we showed you the actual land parcel, the actual location and the neighborhood of the project. And in this video, we will be giving you a look at the model where you can see how your dream tower will look alike. Let's go and have a look at the model. As you can see, this over here is the model of the project. And talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 1.04 acres that will have one tower of 2 basement, ground plus 8 level of podium plus 54 residential floors, and it has a 2 level of clubhouse at the rooftop level. This project has 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. And now, speaking of location and connectivity, this project is
located in Jerbai Wadia Road,
Parel, from where you have Worli Shibri connector at a distance of 4 to 5 minutes. Atal Setu is at a distance of 4 to 5 minutes. Eastern Freeway is again at a distance of 4 to 5 minutes. Also, you have upcoming metro at a distance of 4 to 5 minutes from the project. Speaking of amenities, this project has 25 plus luxurious amenities. The best part about the project is that you have a half Olympic sized swimming pool at the rooftop level, which is an infinity swimming pool facing Atal Setu. This project also includes a clubhouse, gym, pickleball court, indoor games, kids play area and all the luxurious amenities that you can imagine within the project. And now, speaking of the carpet area, this project has 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences with 2 BHK in the carpet area of 847 square feet and 3 BHK in the carpet area of 1022 and 1225 square feet. Also, speaking of the booking process, the booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount of 10 lakhs. So everyone, this was the project overview of the residential project Shobha Inizio by Shobha Realty,
located in Jerbai Wadia Road.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.